What's going on? Good morning, friends. Welcome back, YouTube. Hello, Twitter. It'll always be Twitter. What's up, Twitch? Twitching out. Twitch. Let's see if we have even one viewer on Twitter or Twitch that's not me. Nope. Nobody cares about trading on Twitch. They're all into video games, I think. Man, rough game out here. So yeah, man, what's going on? What's all going on? I don't even know what's gonna go on today. We just kept going up. My targets were acquired before I even woke up. Pretty lame. I mean, it's great, but yeah. We were aiming for this gap-a-roni here, and we cleared it. Target acquired. How do you catch bottoms, huh? Can you catch bottoms? Google it. Google it. Be like, how to trade. Use these indicators. Don't catch falling daggers. Yeah, right. Yeah, right. I do what I want. Wow, my fan's going off now. Oh yeah. Let's see. Got something to add here. Is that me? Yeah, that's me. Alright. Gotta add a browser source. Let's see. There we go. Now, where do we fit this one? Right there. Put it there for now. Got my butt kicked yesterday. It's pretty cool. Bro, she just keeps grinding higher. What do I do? What do I do? That's all she wants to do is keep grinding higher. So I'm just gonna take shots. Take my chances, man. Gonna wait a little bit though. I'm not in a rush. I could see this thing doom dropping too. I hate framing it both directions. How'd you guys do today? 1 to 100. How'd you do? I didn't do nothing. Sat and chilled out. Hung out. Chilled with my students today. Going over their charts. Going over their homework. Refining abilities. What we do around here. If you guys want to learn how to trade properly, military grade entries and exits, know where the market's going, goodmorningfriends.com. We'll teach you how. It's really not that complex. You just got to manage yourself. If you're a hothead, it's really hard. Make sure you're journaling. If you're not journaling, you ain't learning. It's just the reality. Oh no, Barber Trader says 0. Who's that? Hold on a second. Busta says 0. Oh my goodness. Trump speaks tonight about Iran. Good. We need it. We need some doom. This song's egging me on. Why don't you just give it a go? Hello, shout out. We got Bellico, Psycho Bear, Caesar Cordero, BTC Boss, Likey on a vacation. Nice, nice. Rick Ritchie, Busta, Bellicos again. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Just wait. Get a few minutes. It's hard to tell if it's going to be the top or not.
Here's the thing.
Fine.
Listen, I'm gonna be honest with you. I'm kind of retarded.
Hey, who's that? Welcome, Giaco. Appreciate you, man. Welcome. Good morning, friends. We're always having good mornings. It's always a good morning over here. Man, yesterday was hilarious. You just kept grinding higher. Probably gonna do that again today. At least I'd imagine so. Bro. Rough. Very rough. I hate long and tops. What's up, everybody? New here. You're funny. Sick in here in Missouri. That's why I was late to class earlier. When I was offside this morning, I just laid back down. But now I'm back on the grind with the house coat and tissue. Nice, attaboy. I haven't even left my pajamas yet. Stayed up late. Woke up early. Just to check it out. Couldn't go back to bed. It's hilarious, man. This market is awesome. I'm used to it being an absolute gong show. And now that it's, back in dynamic mode, it's tough to switch from chop to running. So we're just gonna have to give it its time. 2 dailies here. Hold on. My natural inclination says to short, but I'm terrified. I'm terrified of shorting that. It just keeps going. People be like, oh, it can't possibly go any higher. Oh, yeah, it could. And it's gonna. Look out. Target from Sunday for me on the week is 24,684.25. Nice. Wow, look at it being a grouchy butthole. Well, got a new 1 hour candle. Trust me, you guys, I want a short. I do, but doesn't look like she wants to chill out anytime soon. Just give me a sec here. Just gotta make sure everything's on side here. you like my Tendy bar? Pretty cool, huh? I mean, yeah, I could see it. So if they offer me fair value, I might take it. Maybe. One of those stupid grindy higher days. It's looking like. We even got a wick on this? No wick. Unreal. It looks like it's gonna want to reach for this puppy here. Where's our lunch low? Right there. Yeah, man, I don't know. Like, there's times where I don't know. It's not like we know where the market's going every second of the day. You know, again, just like yesterday, all my expectations have been met already, so it's anyone's guess. But it's not going to stop me from giving a shot. You know, this is for entertainment purposes only. I'll let you guys know, like, before I even consider a trade, like, if it's like, you know, high probability, or, you know, if I'm really looking for something solid, I'm just going to play the model, pay myself. Shut her down, or take the loss, shut her down. I'm going to be reducing my risk to about $700 or so. Tough call, man. Might do an Armageddon move here. How many people we got here? 28. All right. Hey, what's up, Staz? GMF Twitch so lonely, I know, right? Wow. Let's start with this guy. See, that's the sell side sweep I've been looking for a long. Man, it's just so sketchy. It's been a while since we've been in a market where she just wants to do stuff in a dynamic fashion. It's been a long while, like months. So it's kind of sketchy. Just know I'm focused on that candle. I don't want nothing on my chart. 37. Ooh. No, that ain't it either. This would be where I want to short from if I was really if I was convicted. Dang. Show me some proof. No 5-minute fall value, we got for the short. Bleh. I mean, it's there, it's tiny. Tiny, but it's there. Oh, you might be right. Wait for the switcheroo death block. What's up, MG? No. What's up, Giaco? Dark Matilda on the 15-minute. Yeah, well. Kind of agree. We had Dark Tilly here and she got railroaded today. That was hilarious. People be like, I can't possibly go any higher. Oh yeah, you get much higher. Way higher. Yeah, maybe I trade, maybe I don't.
Watching you undress, can't take my eyes off you.
we got?
Summer is over, yet you're on my shoulder, counting the dandelions. I'm caught in heaven like 24/7, losing my grip of time. With you,
Sucks framing it both ways. I'll take my shot. About $250. Risk. You know, you guys that are sketching out and stuff like that, and you're like, you know, terrified of losing, just decide how much you're gonna put up for the day. I'll do about $700. Like yesterday, my max risk was 15, and I only did 8. You know, just given the low probabilities. And you're like, oh yeah, that's okay. You know, made 700 bucks. I could risk, you know, 800 bucks. Big deal. It's April Fool's Day. Happy April Fools. It's my birthday tomorrow. Yeah, I'll be live tomorrow for a birthday stream. We'll be playing some gnarly drum and bass. Need this puppy to run here. Not up either. Oh. Vacuum block. Ah. Dang it. You knew today was going to be a butthole. It's okay. Entertainment purposes only. Remember, you guys, don't copy trade me. Definitely not right now. Next week, you know, you can consider hitting some setups with me. Yesterday, I put these lines on my chart and it bounced off of them and kept going. So, you know, that doesn't mean, you know, past performance does not guarantee future results. So, I'm not going to let it bug me. I see it wanting to go down for now. And that's what I'm going to do. I need to run through that little gap. 2 minutes. Well, what's going on, guys? I just had a smoke, so I don't need to go. Hey, 40 people, welcome. Hi. What's up, Frazzles? Anunnaki, what's good, what's good? Hope you have an awesome birthday tomorrow. Thank you very much, Frazzles. You too. Come on, close below. Oh, you butthole. Reduce the risk, move stop up. Either runs my way or it doesn't. Reevaluate the situation. See it nice and heavy.
In my heart is a waterfall of windmills and rockets and empty baskets. In my heart is a waterfall, bleeding pine trees, lit up windows and poison arrows.
In these charts is a waterfall.
Of silver linings and dirty laundry and bedtime names.
Come on, baby, you can do it.
In my heart,
You tried, right?
I tried.
We did our best. That's all
Well,
that
I
matters.
did my best. I tried.
Maybe next year we'll come back and try it
Maybe
again.
next year. I'll come back and I'll try it next year.
Man, you're hilarious. Whatever you say, man.
in my heart is a waterfall
Thank you very much, Stas. Appreciate you.
Spaces, burning pages and sunlit meadows. In my heart is a waterfall of secret highways and silver linings and two dogs fighting. Two dogs.
Man, you're funny. Oh, come on. You know you want it. You know you want it. Boom!
We tried, right?
I tried.
We did our best. That's all
Well, I
that
did my best. I tried.
matters. Maybe next year we'll come back and try it
Maybe
again.
next year. I'll come back and I'll try it next year.
Roman's in the chat for Stas. Thank you for the double donation, Dono Waffen. That's funny. You're awesome, bro. Thank you very much. Appreciate it. Yo, we nailed it. Well, that's about enough fun I've had for today. We'll just hang out and bully price around for a bit. I'm actually considering maybe it goes up from here. So we'll study and see what happens. You guys that are, not in a mentorship with me, get a freebie today. See what we can come up with here. Like, man, this balanced range, I kind of want to see a doom drop, really. But it's looking pretty strong. So, yeah. How dare you counter trade that bull flag? Boom. Hey, and from class today, that was the double bottom I pointed out that we could get to. We didn't have to, but we did it. Yeah, man, if you guys want to learn how to trade, hit up my website, send me a message, hit me up on Twitter. It's a year-long process. I don't guarantee you profits, but I guarantee you'll have a better understanding of how to read the markets than anyone around you. And once you understand what I have to teach you, you're just fighting yourself and discipline. That's how you stay consistent. You just got to mind your losses. You know, like when people, and you've probably been through this before, where you'll have a streak of nice days, a couple of weeks, you're killing it, and then one day just destroys everything. That's the hard work you got to work on. And I had a feeling it was going to doom drop. Well, let's see where this candle's going to drop to. Right there. Peepoo's up. We got a peepoo up. That's awesome. Well, we may as well check out Ethereum while we're here, huh? We'll just wait for that target. Yo, Sami, this one's for you, man. I was, you shouted me out in your video. Thank you. I appreciate it, man. I love it when you do that. Thank you very much, bro. This was the swing low I was talking about, and definitely not talking about Bitcoin. We need this chart to go up. This is the swing low I was talking about on the monthly chart. Now, I use 3 candles. I don't do what Williams does and use 5, because by the 5th candle, you've missed the move. So, it's very important that we're in the discount. And, so we got our closure here yesterday, right? And so, chances are really good that the bottom's in, and you can see that here, right? So you got your higher low, your lower low, your higher low. And if you go into my essentials playlist, you'll see how I called the bottom here and it hit my targets perfectly here. Now, the same story, Morning Glory. We're in a discount and we got a higher low, a lower low, and a higher low. So this is where I'd want to see price start ripping. So I go into the weekly chart and I'm eyeballing that candle right here, bro. That swing high. So you got a lower high, higher high, lower high. We need Ethereum to do this. Boom! And take it with some violence. Come down, make the higher low, and then go wee. Okay? So if you take a look at ETH BTC, right? Take a look at ETH BTC. We'll go to Kraken, right? And this is kind of what we got going on here, right? You got your monthly chart. Come on, we're being slow. All right, your monthly chart, you got your higher low, lower low, higher low, and that called the bottom. All right, that's a swing low in a discount market, okay? And that's, of course, after taking liquidity. Did it breach it? I think it just nippled it in some charts. Double bottoms suck. Anyway, now we go to the weekly chart, right? And there's the swing highs right here. You see how they were taken with force, right? That's your trend break, not a shift, a break. That's your trend break. And then it comes down, it eats everybody's liquidity poop, boop. And then you got another swing low here. And in order for us to confirm the trend shift, we need to take out that high right there, bro. We do that, we are on like Donkey Kong. Can't freaking wait. This has been a painful process. So yeah. So yeah, I called the bottom here publicly. Swing low is assumed protected, and that was, of course, if we made the swing low in the monthly chart, which we did last night, and I'm a happy camper. So this was that Cope chart I sent you a while ago, and I kind of make my own candlesticks where, you know, I use the bars, open, low, high, close, open, low, high, close, and then we'll flip. This is what we call the open float in the inner circle. In order for smart money to see profits on their discount purchases, price has to come into the premium. It's not up for discussion, all right? And these people who are short, that's our exit liquidity. Have a nice day, brother. It's been a pleasure rolling alongside you, bro. Ooh, she's melting. Man, should have left that short open. Oh well. I just wanted my money, man. Just get the heck out of here. Definitely on NF. Well, it's non-farm payroll week. Usually I tell my students don't trade today, and you know, this is why. Look out. And that'll be target 2 there, the 30% retracement, and that'll be it for the day. Yep. If you want to learn how to read candlesticks, goodmorningfriends.com. I'll hook you up. Get in study mode, ditch your indicators, and turn you into a firecracker. Just going through the messages. What's up, everybody? Thank you very much, Buster. Save it for tomorrow. I'll be live. I ain't doing nothing. Probably going to stay in my pajamas all day tomorrow, too. I don't have to leave the house. My aluminum birthday hat. That's funny. Yeah. Refusal to damp is fine by me. Hey, we took a shot. We hit it. Quit it. Oof. Tipping Pepe coin. Selling his link at 50% DM for info. You're funny. We call it mazel in the... I can't say that word on the internet because, you know, they'd be like, yeah, you're shadow banned now, frog. That's my F word, frog. Ah, you frog. You frog and frogger. Boy. So let's see what goes on now. You know, we don't have to touch it. It's just an average. But that daily candle now has a wick. Now we'll see what's up. Everybody who was long, their stop losses were right here, and that's where price went. Oh, we still didn't take them out. All right, let's get them. Get them. We got a unicorn, fair value gap. Let's do it. Unicorn. Rush them. I ain't buying that it's going up. I mean, it could, but not until it touches that line right there. Then we go up. "32 people, what happened to my friends?" Staz, you scared them away. 21 years old tomorrow? Yeah. I wish, man. Those were the days, boy. Those were the days. Thanks, Wildberries. Couldn't have done it without you. Bouncing off the weekly. I mean, bro. Oh man. This looks so good. Oh my goodness. We are going to have a killer time. I can't wait till all this liquidity is taken. It's going to be funny. Look at this double top right here. Oh boy. I mean, we got our target acquired. That was pretty cool. We hit some discount. We could come for this. I'm not saying we can't. I'm just saying we're probably not gonna. We could. But my point of inflection here, where is that? We don't even have that on this chart. I got it on Bitcoin. I mean, I'd use this candle maybe. Well, You know, you guys that are, you know, studying, I use this gap here. The whole thing. You know, realistically, I should be using that and then that. But I'm just gonna keep it. Yeah. See how the levels are respected. So that's how I determine where I'm gonna, you know, drop my anchors, and then use that. So yeah. So use the bottom of that candle's body and the bottom of this candle's body. Man, they're just so gappy, and even that's awesome. Tough call. I think those levels are the same. Hold up. Kinda. A couple of them. That's the same. That's kind of the same. Those are close enough. Whatever. We'll just do that for now. If we can get back above that red line, I'm pretty sure we're golden. Pretty sure. I got a crypto bag bias, and I want all the markets to go up, so it's been I've had to be really careful with how I approach my technical analysis. But yeah. Well, maybe she goes up. Take that swing high, make a fair value gap. We're good to go. And I'd be aiming for... yeah, that candle's high right there. So if we go up, I don't know, okay? I'm not saying I know. Not this time. But if we go up, that's what I'd be aiming for. There's no way it doesn't take that, though. Or was it? That one. Maybe we save it for tomorrow. Tomorrow's going to be ruthless, you guys. Be careful, okay? Just mind your risk, all right? Stick to a model, mind your risk. Tomorrow is going to be really frogged up. Five-minute unicorn. Macro time. I'm done trading, but that's fire. My peepoo is like learning how to laugh, and she's like so funny. She'll just look at you and just start belting. It's so cute. Oh man. Entertain us, man. I'm just gonna dance around here for a minute then. There, are you entertained? I already won a trade. What more do you want? Oh yeah, what are we up? Let me check. Woo! $485. We'll just call it 500. I'm rounding. I'm rounding up. Pretty good for April Fools. Oh, I won't be trading tomorrow either. It's my birthday. I don't want to ruin it. The risk is ruining my birthday. And heavens no, I ain't doing that. Where's Anson? I know you're sneaking back there, Anson. Say hi. Stop being a little wimp. Look at that institutional order flow entry drill. Let's go. Slam dunk them suckers. I'm gonna go have a nap with my people. Come on, you can do it. I know you're gonna do it. You can see it. You can smell it. Smells like slam dunk. Oh yeah, please like, share, and subscribe. Hit the bell for notifications. I go live pretty much every weekday around noon, maybe 2 o'clock. You know, depending what I'm doing that day. Yeah. Just trading. Trading with some eye candy. Hey. And the dream I had last night, I was walking around the mall. Again, I'm always looking for my friggin' cell phone in my dreams lately. So I'm walking around the mall, and my mom is with my friend Chris, and so I went outside the mall to have a cigarette, and somebody was warning me, watch out, the security's there and you're not allowed to smoke here. And so I was just like, screw that guy. And then he gets up, right? And he's like, oh, he's coming. And I'm like, ah, dang it. So he wasn't even coming towards me. There was a bunch of liberal purple-haired people at the mall, and there was this one that was smoking in the non-smoking section, but she was in a spider outfit. And she's just like, your laws don't apply to me, I'm a spider. Oh man, it was so funny. And then I laughed so hard I woke up. Target acquired. Come on, rush him. Don't be a wimp. Bro, it was so funny. What do you mean? I'm LARPing as a frog right now, bro. Recognize. Been doing this since 2017. Yo, Russian. All right. Oh, price went there because your stops were there. So stop putting your stops where my targets are. How about that? All right, you guys. Hope you're impressed. No indicator trading. You know, if you want to learn how, hit me up and we'll get you going. Thank you all for joining. I appreciate you. Thank you for the dono, Staz. I appreciate you even more. And yeah, I'll be trying to get some sleep early tonight. I notice when I go to bed early, I don't sleep very good. So I try to stay up late so I can sleep hard. And yeah. But yeah, you guys, thank you all for joining. I appreciate you. See you tomorrow.